What I do get interested in is when something actually performs the way it's supposed to over time, not in a single demo, but across weeks of real testing. And the area I've been focused on specifically is AI crypto trading systems. I've been running through several of these systems over the past few months, tracking what the data actually shows, and today I want to put one of them on screen and walk you through the whole thing from scratch. Then stick around because I've got some things to say afterward that I think cut through the usual noise around this topic. Let's get into it. So, first configuration is trading pair, and the coin list here is as wide as it is because this system runs across multiple exchanges simultaneously, which means the available assets naturally reflect that breadth. Going with BNB, interesting spread behavior across markets and good conditions for what I want to demonstrate. Okay, next I add my wallet address. Sorted. Then I settle my capital. This is just the working budget for the system, setting mine at around there. That feels appropriate. And risk level is directly below, and I want to address this properly because I've watched a lot of people just drag this slider without thinking about what it does. This setting controls how selective the system is about which trades it takes. At lower values, it only acts on the cleanest, most confident opportunities, tight spreads, high certainty. At higher values, it starts operating in murkier conditions where spreads are wider and confidence is lower. And then last setting is working strategy. This is the specific methodology the AI runs with, the approach it applies when it's identifying and acting on price gaps between markets. Okay, final pass over everything here. Looks exactly right. Moving next. So here I've got different tokens and I can use one of them directly. The platform converts it automatically on their end before anything starts. No preparation required from me. Okay, that's sent. Tapping, I have sent, and okay, we're live. So right here on the dashboard, I can see everything happening. Trades going, win rate ticking up, spread showing, chart running. Honestly, it looks cleaner than a lot of things I've tested at this level. All right, I'm gonna speed up this part. Okay, so the session has run and the screen lays out everything: total duration, number of trades that executed, active strategy, and the net return with the platform fee already deducted from it. So now I'm tapping withdraw and waiting on its heading across to my address. Usually takes a few minutes, so let me actually cover some ground here. So let me explain what this system is doing, because most people watching something like this just accept the results without really thinking about whether the underlying mechanism makes sense. And that matters, because if you understand how it works, you can actually evaluate whether a platform is being honest about what it does. So every coin you can name trades on dozens of exchanges simultaneously. And because those exchanges operate independently from each other, the price of the same coin is almost never exactly identical across all of them at any given moment. There's always a tiny gap somewhere, and that gap represents a profit opportunity, specifically for whoever can move faster than the market corrects it. The correction is nearly instant. By the time a person notices a discrepancy and tries to act on it, the window is already closed. And that's exactly what AI solves here, not the finding of the opportunity. A person could theoretically do that, but the execution speed. The bot doesn't hesitate, doesn't second guess, doesn't have reaction time as a constraint. It just executes both sides of the trade the moment conditions are met. And across multiple exchanges running simultaneously, that speed advantage compounds into something a manual process simply cannot replicate.
So here's what going deeper looks like for me in practice. Not a formal system, just what I've developed from doing this long enough. First thing is genuine product engagement, not scrolling around the homepage, actually working through every feature, every claimed function, every setting deliberately across multiple sessions. And what I'm looking for during that process isn't whether individual things work in isolation, it's whether the platform holds together as a coherent product. Does the logic between sections make sense? When I push on something, does it behave the way it should, or do gaps start appearing? And The second thing, which is where most fraudulent platforms eventually reveal themselves, is behavior under repeated, varied testing. Because looking solid under controlled conditions is achievable for almost anything. Staying consistent across 15, 20 sessions with different assets, different capital amounts, different configurations across different days, that's a different standard entirely. Real platforms don't change their behavior based on what you're testing. Platforms that aren't real eventually do.
And so with that context, here's where I actually land on what I showed you today. I've been running this platform for several weeks, deliberately varied every time, worked across ETH, Bitcoin, and a few other assets, changed the capital and configuration each time specifically to stress test rather than optimize. And the behavior has been consistent throughout, not suspiciously flawless, just steady and correct across the whole testing window. Withdrawals have landed every single time, numbers have tracked coherently from session to session, nothing unexpected has surfaced across the entire process. And I want to be specific about that. This is the output of intentionally varied testing, not a hand-picked run I chose to film. So if you want to run your own version of that process, link is in the description, pinned in the comments. Don't take my results at face value, put in a small amount, test it withdrawal immediately, change the conditions on it, and see what happens. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching.